How to use Windows Defender to scan for malware. Scanning your PC for malware is crucial for any IT operation, and it's key to keeping your system secure. Hi, I'm JP with NinjaOne. In this video, I'll walk you through how to scan your PC for malware using Windows Defender, Microsoft's built-in security tool. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe now to NinjaOne IT Tech Tips so you never miss out on smart IT tips and powerful solutions from NinjaOne. Does Windows Defender scan for malware? Does Windows Defender scan for malware? The short answer is yes. This tool provides real-time protection for your PC, can identify different kinds of malware, and acts promptly to safeguard your computer from them. How to perform a Windows Defender scan for malware. Windows Defender performs both background and on-demand scans to keep your device secure. An on-demand scan can be classified as a quick scan or a full system scan. To quickly check for malware on your computer, open the Windows Security Center on Windows 10 or Windows Security on Windows 11. For Windows 10, click the Start button and select the Settings icon. After clicking Update and Security, select Windows Security. For Windows 11, follow the same steps above, but click Privacy and Security before selecting Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection, and then under the Quick Scan section, select Quick Scan. Windows Defender will begin scanning your system for malware, which might take a few minutes. Once the scan is complete, refer to the scan results and take appropriate action. If you want a more comprehensive check of your system, run a full system scan. Go to the Quick Scan section using the steps outlined earlier, but this time, choose Full Scan instead of Quick Scan. Windows Defender will initiate a thorough scan of your device, including files and folders. After the scan is completed, refer to the scan results to determine your next actions. How to interpret Windows Defender scan results. It's equally important to learn more about the threats you might face so that you can properly remove them. Pay attention to these details in the scan results. Threat name, which identifies the malware in your system. Threat severity, classified as low, medium, or high. Recommended action, which could be quarantine, remove, or allow. And scan history, in case you want to review past scans. As a comprehensive security feature, Windows Defender offers all sorts of ways to scan for malware on your PC, depending on your preferences, workflow, and needs. If you want to safeguard your IT environment even further, click the link below to start a free trial of NinjaOne.